Hello, my jewels, and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back, everybody. Today is Thursday, the 14th of July. I want to thank everyone who are here. If you are a first-time viewer, thank you so much for coming to my channel. And I hope and pray that there's something that I said that will help you with your hair. Those of you who haven't subscribed yet, it's totally free, guys. All you have to do is just click the button and then the bell. Make sure that your notifications are on so you won't miss any videos on a weekly basis, okay? Thank you guys so much. So today, I'm going to speak about improving low porosity hair. I also, before my closing, I'm going to name off some oils for my high porosity ladies as well, the oils that you can use on your hair, okay? So, number one, if you see me looking over here, that's because I took my notes and I just hung them up there, okay? Number one, use lightweight oils. You want to make sure that you're using lightweight oils in the hair. Anything that's heavy, it will really weigh our hair down and it will have buildup very quickly. So you don't want to use anything heavy on low porosity hair. The oils, if you want to know the oils, I may put them, I may just read them. Argan oil, and I probably just put them down here as I go along. Argan oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, of course, apricot oil. A lot of people didn't know about apricot oil. I've been using apricot oil for the past few years now, and it really works wonders for the hair because what that oil does is just pull the moisture from the atmosphere right onto the hair, allowing your hair to stay moisturized. Pomegranate oil, that oil is amazing as well, and Baobab oil. I see a lot of people using the Baobab oil for the ends of their hair, and it's pretty good. Works pretty good. I haven't never tried that oil. I know someone that's using pomegranate oil, and that works good for her hair. And I know a lot of people that use grapeseed oil. I only know a few people that's using apricot oil. Just a few, just a handful. But I don't see a lot of reviews on apricot oil. It's a really nice oil to use, okay? It will really help your hair. Use heat whenever you deep condition your hair. We already know that low porosity hair needs moisture and hydration. So whenever you deep condition your hair, make sure that you go under your hooded dryer for about a good 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, this would help open up those cuticles and allow that that moisture to really penetrate into the hair shafts. It would really help out. Okay, keeping your hair soft, moisturized, and hydrated. Okay, our hair really lack hydration and moisture. Okay. 3, beware of proteins. Now, I mentioned proteins last week, okay, and I uploaded that video on Tuesday. So, low porosity hair does not need proteins. Our hair is not weak at all. Just because it says low doesn't mean that our hair is weak or something's wrong with it and we have to keep doing this to it, doing that to it. Our hair is very strong and we do not lack proteins at all. Our hair does not lack any proteins. And even if you get a relaxer, I know that relaxer break down the bonds. I have read that already, but it's not totally stripping and breaking all the bonds out of our hair. We don't need proteins like that. So you need to be aware of that, okay? Look that up. Go and do your research on low porosity hair as far as proteins, and then you will see what I'm saying, okay? Now, some of you have already got on board with that and you're not using the proteins anymore, and that's good because what protein does to low porosity hair is makes it stiff, dry, and then break off. Your hair would look like blunt on the ends and you're wondering why after you moisturized and sealed. That's why. Get rid of all products that are loaded with proteins. If you have proteins in your hair like you do on a monthly basis, you need to get rid of that. Okay, for real. Number 4, avoid heavy products. Heavy products are not good for low porosity hair because it will weigh our hair down. Okay, so you want to be careful of using really heavy products on the hair like creams, butters, even I want to say like conditioners, like a leave-in conditioner. Now see that right there, because when I go a little heavy in the wintertime, that really helps my hair. But I'm not just putting on gobs of it on my hair. I just put just enough to really just get that to work in my hair. You get what I'm saying? So just be careful, okay? Treat and prevent buildup. Once again, you don't want buildup. You want to treat your hair with care and make sure that you're not putting on lots of things on your scalp and hair that will cause buildup, because buildup is not good either for anyone's hair, okay? Because that would allow your hair to become brittle and break. Buildup, it causes brittleness and split ends. So that's something that you don't want to do. Look for water-based products, guys. Our hair needs moisture. Our hair needs hydration, okay? So these are the things you need to focus on, okay? And be consistent with it. Don't overdo it, but you need to focus on making sure that your hair is being moisturized and hydrated, okay? All right? Now, for my high porosity hair women, these are the oils that you can also use. I'm not going to leave you out either, because you're probably wondering, what oil can I use? So olive oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and coconut oil works really best in high porosity hair. Okay, you can look that up as well. Okay, these oils will really help your hair out after you wash your hair, or even doing pre-pools or anything like that. I know some of y'all just pre-poo with oil. One of these oils will work really well in your hair. Okay, I hope and pray that you guys enjoyed the video. Any more questions on low porosity hair, I will do my best to answer it. Okay, but these right here, improving low porosity hair, this is what I went through, and everything that I said: lightweight oils, heat, beware proteins or Boyd products that's heavy, build up, look for water-based products. These things that I was doing to my hair, and you can see a difference in my hair. You can really see. I have my hair down because I'm going to do an oil treatment right after this video. Okay, so this is my hair, and I came a long way. I really did. And I know I say that a lot, but I have came a long way. Look back 5 years ago at my videos and you'll see. Okay, thank you guys so much. Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. Thank you ever kindly for watching me. God bless you. Bye.